Hi guys, welcome to Memo's tutorials. If you're having any challenges with factorizing quadratic expressions, this is the best video for you. If you already know how to factorize them, it's also the best video for you to improve your skills. So today we're going to factorize m squared minus 16m plus 63. So this is how we're going to do it. We're going to multiply our m squared with our 63 and we're going to get 63m squared. The second step, now we're going to look for two numbers. When we multiply them, they will give us a positive 63m squared, but when we add or subtract them, they must give us a negative 16m. So in this case, it's going to be 9m and 7m. Sorry, 9m and 7m. 9 times 7 is 63. And it's a positive 63. But now let's have a look. As we can see there, we have a negative 63. We have a negative 63. So for us to get a negative 63, we need to negate everything. It's going to be minus 9m and a minus 7m there. So it's going to be minus 9m times minus 7m. Yes, we'll get a positive 63m squared. Remember, a negative times a negative will get a positive. So now we are going to rewrite our expression, replacing minus 16m squared by minus 9m and minus 7m, and then we'll factorize by grouping. Okay, so this is going to be m squared minus 16m. Instead of us putting minus 16m, in this case, we're going to put minus 9m. Let me get rid of that one. We're going to put minus 9m minus 7m plus 63. Okay, hope you guys are following. So now let's factorize. We'll factorize by grouping. Let's factorize this first set and then the second set later. On our first set, m is common. If we factor out m, we'll remain with m minus 9. On the second set, minus 7 is common. We'll remain with m minus 9 because 7 into 63 is 9 times. Okay, so in this case, we are going to our final answer, we're going to say m minus 7. This m and this minus 7, they will form one bracket, and then here, as you can see, I have two brackets for m minus 9 and m minus 9. We'll only take m minus 9. We'll only take m minus 9. Okay, so this is our final answer. We'll only write this bracket once, we won't write it twice. Okay, feel free to pause the video and try the second one. And the second one, they're saying 8x squared minus 2x minus 15. We're going to do the same. Let's multiply 8x squared and minus 15m. 8 times 15 is 120, but because of that negative, it's going to be negative 120x squared. Now let's look for two numbers. When we multiply them, they'll give us minus 120x squared, but when we add or subtract them, they'll give us a minus 2x. Okay, which is, in this case, we have 12x and 10x. Okay, so which sign now? We have a negative 120x squared, and there at the center we have minus 2x. So with these numbers, 12x and 10x, for me to end up having a minus 2x, I need to give 12 a negative sign. When I say minus 12 plus 10, yes, I'll get minus 2x there. But when and at the same time, when I say minus 12x times 10x, I'll get a negative 120x squared. Okay, now let's rewrite the whole expression, replacing minus 2x with these two factors. Okay, so it's going to be 8x squared minus 12x plus 10x minus 15. Let's factorize by grouping. The first one, 4 is common, which is 4x is common. 8x squared divided by 4x is going to be 2x. 12x divided by a 4x is going to be minus 3. Then on the second group there, 5 is common. 10x divided by 5, we're going to remain with 2x minus 15 divided by 5, we're going to remain with minus 3. Okay, so our final answer in this case, we're going to say it's 4x plus 5. 4x plus 5, they form this one and that one, they form one bracket. And as you can see, we have 2x minus 3 here and 2x minus 3 there. We'll only take this one, which is we'll only write it once. We only write it once. So our final answer for this question, for this particular question, the first bracket is 4x plus 5, the second bracket 2x minus 3. Hopefully you guys benefited from watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. Thank you.